believe that the average millionaire has 7 streams of income? Now what if you could generate multiple streams of income online right from your living room? Welcome to the digital age, where the internet has revolutionized how we earn. The rise of internet-based businesses has unlocked unprecedented opportunities, making it possible for anyone with a laptop and a dream to tap into the global market. Imagine earning a cool $10,000 a month without even stepping out of your house. Sounds like a dream, right? But it's not as far-fetched as you might think. With the right strategies, tools, and a dash of creativity, this dream can become your reality. From selling your expertise through online courses, leveraging affiliate marketing, to creating a profitable YouTube channel or blog, the internet is a goldmine waiting to be tapped. In this video, we will unveil 10 proven ways to make $10,000 per month online in 2024. So buckle up and get ready for a life-changing journey. The first method we'll explore is online course creation. In an age where knowledge is power, the demand for online learning is sky high. From professionals looking to upskill to hobbyists wanting to master a new craft, the audience is diverse and ever-growing. But why online course creation? Well, it's all about potential profitability. Once you've put in the initial work of creating your course, it can serve as a passive income stream. Each course enrollment is money in your bank, and the beauty of it is that there's no limit to how many people can sign up. There's a wealth of platforms at your disposal too. Udemy, Coursera, Skillshare. These are just a few of the platforms that make it easy to get your course out there. So, if you've got expertise in a subject, whether it's coding, cooking, or even candle making, creating an online course could be your ticket to a steady online income. Next up, we have affiliate marketing. Now brace yourself for a journey into a world where you can earn while you sleep. Imagine this, a system where you promote other people's products or services and get a commission for every sale made through your referral. That's affiliate marketing in a nutshell. You don't need to create your own product or worry about inventory. Just find a product you love, promote it to others, and earn a piece of the profit for each sale. It's a win-win arrangement for both you and the product owner. The beauty of affiliate marketing lies in its potential as a passive income source. Once you've set up your website or blog and built a steady stream of traffic, you can make money around the clock. Remember, success doesn't happen overnight. It requires time, effort, and a strategic approach. But with the right strategy, affiliate marketing can turn your website or blog into a money-making machine. Our third method is dropshipping. Let's delve into this one. Dropshipping is a retail fulfillment method where a store doesn't keep the products it sells in stock. Instead, when a store sells a product using the dropshipping model, it purchases the item from a third party and has it shipped directly to the customer. So the merchant never sees or handles the product. The beauty of dropshipping is that it offers a low-cost, low-risk way to start an online business. You don't need to invest thousands in inventory. You only purchase a product when you've made a sale and have been paid by the customer. This flexibility allows you to offer a wide variety of products without a significant upfront investment. And the potential profitability? With the right marketing and supplier relationships, you can turn dropshipping into a high-profit venture. With dropshipping, you can start an e-commerce business without ever touching the inventory. Method number 4 is freelancing. The rise of the gig economy has completely revolutionized the way we work. Gone are the days of the traditional 9-to-5. In its place, we have a vibrant marketplace where skills are bought and sold on an hourly or project basis. Websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer have become the meeting ground for businesses seeking specialized skills and individuals offering them. Now, you might be thinking, can I really make 10 grand a month freelancing? The answer is a resounding yes. The key is to find your niche, offer a service that's in high demand, and market yourself effectively. Maybe you're a whiz at graphic design, or you have a way with words that can turn any product description into a compelling story. Or perhaps you're a coding genius who can whip up a mobile app in no time. Whether you're a writer, designer, or coder, freelancing could be your pathway to making 10 grand per month online. Coming up next is starting a YouTube channel. Now let's talk about a platform that has taken the world by storm: YouTube. It's more than just a place for viral cat videos and makeup tutorials, it's a goldmine for content creators. If you have a unique idea, a knack for storytelling, or a passion to share, YouTube could be your ticket to steady online income. Imagine earning through multiple streams: ad revenue, sponsorships, and merchandise sales. Yes, all of these are possible on this platform. Ad revenue is generated when viewers watch ads on your videos. Sponsorships come in when companies pay you to promote their products within your content. And merchandise sales? Well, that's when your personal brand becomes so strong that people want to wear it, use it, live it. And the best part? YouTube is free to start. All you need is a good idea and the will to create. If you can create engaging content, YouTube could be your platform to fame and fortune. And method number 6 is blogging. Now don't be mistaken, blogging isn't just an online diary anymore. It's a platform that can yield significant income if utilized effectively. One way to monetize your blog is through advertising. Platforms like Google AdSense will pay you to place ads on your site. The more traffic you have, the more potential there is to earn. Another way is through sponsored posts. Companies often pay bloggers to write about their products or services. It's a win-win situation. They get exposure, and you get paid. Lastly, don't forget about affiliate marketing. This is where you promote a product or service on your blog and earn a commission for every sale made through your referral link. This can be incredibly lucrative if you have a large and engaged audience. So if you have a knack for writing and love sharing your thoughts and ideas with the world, blogging can be a profitable online venture. If you love writing and sharing your ideas, blogging can be a profitable online venture. Our 7th method is online coaching. In this digital age, the demand for personalized guidance has skyrocketed. People across the globe are seeking out experts who can offer them tailored advice, be it for fitness, business, personal development, or a myriad of other fields. And here's where online coaching steps in. Just imagine you sharing your expertise and wisdom, guiding individuals on their journey to success, all while generating a substantial income. Sounds dreamy, doesn't it? But it's not just a dream. It's a reality for many professionals who've leveraged their knowledge and skills to create a thriving online coaching business. By offering online coaching, you're not just selling a service, you're selling transformation. You're selling the promise of a better future. And people are willing to pay for that promise. So, if you have a passion for helping others and a knack for sharing your wisdom, online coaching could be your calling. Next up, we have selling ebooks. Now, you might be thinking, but I'm not a writer. Well, here's the good news. You don't have to be the next Hemingway to create a successful ebook. What you need is a unique perspective, valuable knowledge, or an engaging story to share. Creating an ebook starts with identifying a topic that resonates with potential readers. This could be based on your personal experiences, professional expertise, or even a hobby you're passionate about. Once you've written your ebook, it's time to publish it. There are various platforms available like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing that make it easy to self-publish and reach a global audience. The beauty of ebooks is that they can generate passive income. Once your book is published and marketed effectively, it can continue to sell without additional effort on your part, creating a steady stream of income over time. If you have a story to tell or valuable knowledge to share, selling ebooks could be your way to make money online. Our 9th method is podcasting, a burgeoning field that has seen exponential growth over the past few years. Podcasting is an excellent platform for those who have a unique voice and interesting ideas to share. Podcasting is akin to having your own radio show, but with the added advantage of reaching a global audience anytime, anywhere. It's your platform to share stories, experiences, knowledge, or even to entertain. But how do you monetize it, you may ask? Well, one of the most popular ways is through sponsorships. Brands are always on the lookout for successful podcasts that align with their target audience. They're willing to pay good money for ad slots within your episodes. Another method is through listener donations. Services like Patreon allow your listeners to support your podcast financially, often in exchange for bonus content or other perks. The potential profitability of podcasting is immense, especially as the medium continues to thrive. If you have a unique voice and interesting ideas, podcasting could be your platform to success. And finally, we reach the end of our journey. We've explored the vast landscape of online income opportunities, from creating online courses to affiliate marketing, dropshipping, freelancing, running YouTube channels, blogging, online coaching, selling ebooks, and podcasting. Each of these methods has the potential to yield as much as $10,000 per month, if not more. The beauty of the digital world is its accessibility. Anybody, anywhere, with an internet connection can tap into these income streams. But remember, success doesn't happen overnight. It requires dedication, perseverance, and a willingness to learn and adapt. Each method we've discussed today offers a different path to the same destination: financial independence. So, choose the path that resonates with you most and start walking. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Start your journey to $10,000 per month online today.